And again, line of sight test flight, but also maiden flight. I haven't even hover tested the thing. All right, acro mode. Does it arm? It arms. That's something. And it flies. Yay! Cool. That is a good start. And in case you missed it, 100% bone stock. Not bad so far. That was a horrible power loop. Horrible. Yeah, my hands are a little cold. Is that enough of an excuse? Horrible. Oh my god, let's try that again. Power loop. Ah. Oh my god. Maybe I should get back to the simulator. Horrible. I am a horrible YouTuber. Look at it. I can't even do a proper power loop. Yeah. Better. Yeah. Practice. Okido. So at least it flies, right? It sounds pretty nice. It is not a noisy quadcopter, this. It feels a little more like a 5-inch quadcopter than the 3.5-inch F35. A little more. So I'm assuming that will have even more torque, even though the F35 is a torque monster. But we should have even more torque, and this F4 should be a little more efficient. So if you were looking for longer flight times, should be your ticket, this F4. And apparently it flies. It is again not a line of sight quadcopter, maybe with white propellers. These green propellers, no. What do I hear you say? A punch out? Why not a punch out? Here we go. Pretty nice. Yeah, this does. You know what? The torque looks a little bit better, but also in the upper, higher throttle range, the F35 runs out of steam. This one, well, runs out of steam. It's also a pretty fast quadcopter. The reach of this quadcopter seems a little bit better, so more balanced maybe. Yeah, so far pretty nice. It flies like a lightweight 5-inch quadcopter, and it is almost a lightweight 5-inch quadcopter. 4-inch. Who knew? Did we need it? No, but it works. I'm sure they could make the same quadcopter with 5-inch arms and then maybe 2204 motors. That sounds like a recipe we've seen before, right? Yeah. So maybe they shouldn't. But so far, this works. Okay, enough.